Hey, I'm Marko. I'm one of the founders and CEO of Supersimple. We're an AI-native knowledge platform for both humans and agents, which means we pull together sort of all of the context in your company, both structured data in things like data warehouses and unstructured data across all your internal tools. And we do this not via something like MCP calling, but rather we build a set of highly reliable and explainable agents. So if I type in a question such as, what's the average number of users that we have per account, and how's that been changing over time, we don't actually generate a single line of SQL to answer this. We have an AI that clicks through our UI, actually uses these no-code steps that we've built up over the years to answer this question in a way that my grandma can read through its work and understand what's going on. But then also, this one question is not the end state. And sometimes it does feel great to go deeper using AI, but sometimes using a structured UI actually makes a whole lot more sense. But because we also connect to your unstructured data, then we can do really nice stuff for sort of telling the AI what the things actually mean. So if I asked for the percentage of completing transactions that get refunded each month, our AI can also find things like, there's this message in the data team Slack channel where I talk about a little caveat with this data. We bring this up, AI uses this little caveat to filter out the pending transactions, and you again get this fully explainable answer. And I mentioned that this is not just for humans, but also for our agents. So we actually built a little Mac app called Supersimple for Mac, where I can have this GitHub PR open and ask, have we discussed this internally? And this just uses our public API to do this reasoning across all of our connected data sources. But for the Mac app specifically, if we have Claude move, we also actually are about to release this. So this is the world premiere of sort of browser use, which is not simply doing something like using screenshots, but this is actually very, very fast because we've sort of tapped into native macOS accessibility APIs. But so here, the AI figured out the context, sent a question over to Supersimple's AI, and again, we've done a lot of pre-processing on all these data sources, so we were able to get to significantly higher reliability in results. And I can also ask Supersimple to open up Supersimple in the browser, where we're going to have the fully cited answer, which you can, again, use for humans, or you can have the agents look at this.
Thank you, Marko.